I guess this is the plus one question asked by Google, Meta, Amazon. So you can see the company's tags. And what is the question? This is the easy level, but a little bit trickier, I will say. So this is saying we have a one digit array and we have to construct uh, one number integer 1 2 3 from this digit array. If we construct the one number from the digit array, we'll go to 1 2 3. Then we'll add plus 1 at the end. We'll go to 124 the number. Then you have to no convert this number into a digit array 1 2 4. That is the thing. Again, if it is 4 3 2 1, so if we then we have to construct the number. If we construct the number, that will be 4 3 2 1. Then again, we have to divide. We have to convert this in 4 3 2 number to digit array. Before that, you have to do plus 1. So if you do 4 3 2 1 plus 1, we will do 4 3 2 2. And to convert this number 4 3 2 2 to the this digit array, we have to use the math formula, modulo operator, and the divided by 10. That is the thing. This is 9 is the special because if you see the all other elements, if we add before 9, there is a 1 2 3 4 8 up to 8. If you do plus 1, the length of the digit will be 1. Okay, length of the number will be 1. But in the case of 9, if you add 1, so it will be 10. The length of the number will be 2. In that case, you have to split it. You have to insert 1 at the end, at the like in the at the front. That is one unique case that I will explain. But before that, normally what people will do that they'll try to construct the number from this array. That is the wrong approach, because when trying to construct, you have to traverse back from this 1 to 3 3 to 1. Okay, construct the number. So you're trying to construct the number using this math formula, and so you're getting the digit I. So digit I will be 3 to 1. Okay, and then on top of this 3, we are going to 3 we are trying to do 3 into 10 to the power 0, 2 into 10 to the power 1, 1 into 10 to the power 2. Then that's how we get to 123. Okay, that's how the math formula is. Okay, and the problem will be here. We'll get runtime here, and then you will do try to no if when you get the number, you will try to add the result 1, and then try to divide by modulo 1 by 10 to get the digit, and try to clear the digit. Then you will reassign the temp value to digit. So that's how you are doing it. And if you do this, initial test case will be passed. 10 test cases passed out of 122. And the issue is, where is the issue? Issue is this line, because if you see the constant is 100. The digit length can be one single, here too we have a one single length digit, but it can be, we have a 4 3 2 1, but here it can be 99999. Okay, so in that case, if say your digit is 99999, then you are doing 10 to the power 9999, sorry, 99. So digit I is 99999, and we are doing powered into 10 to the power 99. So in that case, the value will be huge. Okay, so if you then you are assigned to the integer, result is integer. So what is the max value of integer? 10 to the power 8. But this value will be like greater than 10 to the power 8. Then you will think that I'll do long long. The max power of the long long is 10 to the power 18. But that also, like, this value is so huge that that will also by like the 10 to the power 18 value also will be like this value will be out of the 10 to the power 18 range, long range. That's why you will get this error. That is the point where that is a trickier point. Okay, and that's why this constructing the number, that is the wrong approach. The like small test case will pass, but for the larger constraint value, this test case, like we will get this out of boundary error. Okay, that's why we have to go by this approach. We don't have to construct the number. First thing, if you observe carefully, just in this case, the array is 123. At the end, we are adding 4 plus 1 4. This is a 124. From 124, we are getting 124. We just you know trying to get the digit array. So if you see the 4321, At the end value, at the end we are adding plus 1. So we are getting 4321, 4322. So if we add 1 only here at the end, so we will get the answer. We don't have to construct the whole number, then convert to number, then break that number to the digits. We don't have to do that. That is the wrong process. But only we have to be careful in the 9, because if we add plus 1 at the 9, so if you initial value was 9 is like one length array vector. If you add the plus 1, at the end it will be 0, and then at the front you have to like carry will be 1. So you have to insert a 1 in front of this. This is the special case. Otherwise, if you see in the other case, if I add only here and then the return this digit array, the work is done. That's what I'm doing it. If you see 123, first you are taking the last value of 123 vector, so we'll get the 3 digit I will be 3 first, because we are traversing from the at the end. Okay, and at the end, so we'll go to this if condition. So digit I if I do digit I plus plus, the value will be 4, and if I do return the digit array from here only, we will get the answer 124. That's why you're getting 124. So there like a long, huge calculation or a lot of multiplication. So that initial error we are getting out of boundary, that error is gone, because we are not constructing the whole number. So that is a trickier thing. Okay. Now in the case of 9, let's say 9. Okay. In the case of 9, so 9 will not go into this loop, this condition. Okay. So we'll go to for loop, and we'll do this like digit I equal to 0. Means we are setting that make the value of this, we are making this 9 into, so we have a, let's say a 9, one vector is like this. We are making this, if we do 9 plus 1, we'll get 10. Okay, so, but at the end we have to add 0. We are directly assigning 0 here. Okay, 0, and then when the for loop is ended, because 9 is a one length array, so it will this loop will length once. Now we our array vector contains 0, and at the then we are outside of the for loop, we are inserting 1 at the like at the front of this vector. So we get this like this. It is 10, only 0 is there. If we insert no manually, we will get a 1 comma 0. Here thing, then a digit. Okay, this is the thing. So that's how to do it. Let's say we have a 39. So 39, if we construct the number, it will be 39. Okay, and then if you do plus 1, plus 1, it will be 40, and 40, and array should be like this. Vector should be like this 40. Okay, so if you if you do dry run, so I will get a 9 at the first, so it is less than equal to 9, not less than equal to 9, so we will not go into this if condition, we will come here. So then we'll add 0. We're adding, we have a, let's say hanging little bit. So we have it like this, with 39 is there. So after assigning 0 at the end, we'll have a 30. Okay, and then in this case, because it is a two length vector, will come back again. It will go to for loop again. It will check the 3. Now the 3 digit is less than 9. So what will it do? It will try to increase the value of 3. So it will make it 4. Make it 40. 40. And from here, then we are returning from here. So at the end we will get of this thing 40. If you see, so 39, we are assigning directly. We are not adding anything. We just assigning, if it is a 9, we will assigning 0 here and make one addition here in the value of in case of 3. And if the other in the other case, we are assigning, we are adding plus 1 value here at the end. So that's how we are doing the question. If you do the dry run by yourself, you will understand. And this is what interview expects. not this manually like naive approach to construct the whole number, and then we'll destruct that number to build this digitally. That is the wrong approach. I'll not say wrong, but this is the not efficient approach. Yeah. And if you do submit, it is submitted already. Yeah, we can check. Yeah, that's it in this question. Also, the next video I'll try to do solve by my pen and paper, like sorry, pad. But I think this is a pretty basic question, so I'm not doing dry run in my pad. But from the next question, I will try to do the dry run also. Yeah, that's it. Also, you can check my GitHub for the code section or comment section for comment.